Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix error code M77011003. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. Okay, so fix number one is, this is the main fix here. So for Chrome, we want to go ahead and paste this URL in. So it's Chrome / settings content, protect the content, and then hit enter. Now make sure turn on sites can play protected content, so make sure to enable that. Now fix number two is to enable Widevine DRM. So we need to go ahead and put in Chrome components and hit enter. And then from here we need to find Widevine Content Decryption Module. So let's go ahead and find that. So it should be near the bottom here. Here it is here. So I want to go ahead and click on check for update and then update. Now fix number three is, if you're using incognito mode or private mode, go ahead and go back to your normal mode. So Netflix DRM often doesn't work in private browsing. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So it does glitch out, I've found. So you want to go ahead and close incognito mode or private mode and open Netflix normally. Fix number four is to go ahead and disable any extensions. So this could be causing issues. So go to extensions, click on manage extensions, disable all extensions inside of here, then come back to Netflix, do a hard refresh and control F5. And if it works, that means you've got an extension problem. So come back here, enable these one by one to see which one is the culprit. Now fix number five is to go ahead and update your browser. So go to settings, go to privacy and security, click onto about Chrome, and if there is an update, go ahead and do the update. Now if you're still having issues, try another browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. I can use Microsoft Edge or Firefox, but what I've seen, Microsoft Edge is best for Netflix on Windows, so keep that in mind too. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty certain I've heard that along the line. Or you can use Firefox and see if it works there.